आज की क्लास में हम लोग वर्कआउट करेंगे हाफ लाइफ पीरियड के बारे में। केमिकल काइनेटिक्स का बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हाफ लाइफ पीरियड। एंड व्हाट इज हाफ लाइफ पीरियड? द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इज नीडेड to reduce the concentration of the reactant to half of its original concentration is known as half-life period. जितने समय में फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन इनिशियल का हाफ हो जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड हाफ लाइफ पीरियड, and it is represented by T1/2, that is half. And at T half, when time is half, or it can be written like this: T half, then T half equal to A naught by 2. A naught represent initial concentration. It is represent initial concentration. Now again I am repeating the definition of half-life period. It is defined as the time needed to reduce the concentration to half of its original concentration. Then we have the final concentration become A equal to A naught by 2. A naught by 2. Final concentration become half of its original concentration. Now move on to the next part. Expression for the half-life period. Half-life period for first order reaction. We have to find out the half-life period of first order reaction. We have K equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. This is the expression for rate constant of first order reaction that we have already derived. Now putting the value A equal to A naught by 2 and T equal to T half, then K equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by 2, and this become, and in place of T it is T half. K equal to 2.303 by T half log 2. Now putting the value of log 2, we have K equal to 0.693 by T half or T half equal to 0.693 by k. Zero point 693 by k, and this is the required expression. And according to this equation, we can say that half-life period of first order reaction is inversely proportional to the rate constant and independent upon concentration of the reactant. I hope that it is very easily clear to all of you. Now move on to the next part. Again we will try to find out expression for half-life period for zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, k equal to a naught minus a by t implies k equal to a naught minus a naught by 2, and in place of t we can write t half.